Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What are you doing today?
We're singing. Here's my note.
It's stunning, Who could that be?
Waea Wao! Tēnā koutou Ngāti Tākaro.
Waea Wao!
I have a panga, a riddle for you.
Ooh, he panga!
I'm a taonga puoro, an instrument. My sound comes from nature, not people. You can't see or hear me inside the whare. I'm hanging outside and heard outside. Here is my sound. Who am I?
I don't have a clue. I don't either. Do you have any idea, Kōkā?
No, I don't, but I'm sure Pāpā Rākau can help.
Let's go see Pāpā Rākau.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki a kukakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
What's the problem, Tākaro Tribe?
Waea Wao gave us a panga. Riddle. Will you help us solve the riddle?
Ooh, let's all give it a go.
I'm a taonga puoro, an instrument. My sound comes from the taiao, nature, not people. You can't see or hear me inside the whare. I'm hanging outside and heard outside. Here is my sound. Who am I?
Ooh, I have only one guess. It sounds like this.
Yeah, that's it. What is that kind of taonga puoro instrument, Pāpā Rākau?
It's a hautangi, wind chimes.
A hautangi? Wind chimes? I want a hautangi.
This instrument hangs outside the house. The winds of Tāwhiri Mātea bring its chimes to life. The wind doesn't have to be strong to hear the beautiful music these taonga make. Let's take a look at our friend's hautangi.
like a set of hautangi, wind chimes.
Don't be sad. Tāwhiri mātea will lead you to the hautangi, wind chimes. If you listen carefully, you can hear their sound. That's how you find them.
Thank you so much, Pāpā Rākau.
Have a safe trip.
Let us karakia. E te wānui e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumi e hui e, tai ki e.
Haere rā, Ngāti Tākaro.
E ora, Pāpā Rākau. Hey, I can hear the sound of hautangi, wind chimes. We're close to Mama Moa's whare. Kia ora, Mama Moa.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. What are you doing on this side of the ngahere, the forest?
Waea Wao gave us a panga, riddle today, but Pāpā Rākau helped us to solve it. It was a hautangi, wind chimes. We followed the sounds of the hautangi, wind chimes.
You came at just the right time. I need help. One of my chimes fell, so maybe one of you can hang it up again. Thank you so much, Tākaro Tribe. Because of all your help, please have this hautangi, this wind chime.
It has all of our fun, colours. Thank you, Mama Moa.
Thanks, Tākaro Tribe.
Let's celebrate with a song.
Kia ora no all you beautiful singers of the ngahere.
Kia ora, Kōkā. Did you see our hautangi?
It's stunning, Looks like you had a great day.
Ai, Marika.
Good work, Tākaro Tribe. Let's spell the word of the day.
Me, hautangi.
Oh, Pāpā Rākau is calling you.
See ya, Kōkā.
Kia ora no Tākaro Tribe. Have you had a good day today?
Oh, ai, Pāpā Rākau.
Ka mau ke te wihi. Let's celebrate with a song. Let's take a look at what you did today. Waea Wao had a riddle for you to solve. You all worked together to decide it was a hautangi, wind chime. You followed the sounds of the chimes, which led you to Māma Moa. You all helped her with her problem, and in return she gave you your own chimes. You also learnt how to spell the word of the day. Hau, tā, ngi, hautangi. Magnificent job, Tākaro Tribe.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Roia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro.